welcome to Virtual FAQ. My name is Yaki. Today I'm the interviewer behind the camera and we have Serene and Grace here to answer some questions for you.
Hi everyone, I'm Grace.
And I'm Serene. Thank you for having us, Yaki.
These days we got tons of questions about Virso from our audience. Seems they're quite curious about it. So today I invited my friends Grace and Serene here for you guys to answer some common questions for you. So are you guys ready?
Yes.
Let's go. Alright, let's get started. First question. Many people are asking, does the Virso S receiver gain the power from the camera?
The short answer, no.
The receiver has a built-in lithium battery which can run for 17 hours after one charge, so it can power itself.
Got it. Next question. Why there is a 3.5mm jack on the Virso S receiver? As we all know that the Virso S receiver already has a multi-interface hot shoe adapter.
That's because we want to make the Virso S more compatible. Sony players can use the hot shoe connection directly, while other users can also use the Virso S for their camera via the 3.5mm jack.
Yeah, that's quite compatible.
Alright, next question. What's the audio signal of them?
Analog signal.
And what is the sample rate and bit rate of the Virso?
It's 48 kHz per 16 bit.
Meanwhile, users can also improve the sound quality through the noise reduction function.
And how can we adjust the gain?
By twisting and pressing the dial.
That's it. Short press the menu button, select to enter the volume interface, twist and press the dial to select group A or B. Then twist it to adjust the volume separately. Finally, short press to confirm.
Next question. Under transmitter plus receiver mic mode, why the transmitter and receiver sound different?
Well, since the Virso SM2 is equipped with 3 built-in microphones in both the transmitter and receiver, the sound effects of receiver will be significantly improved when using a hot shoe connection.
Therefore, to make it equal, we need to turn up the gain adjustment of the transmitters.
Last but not least, what's the recommended volume settings for the transmitters when used with the various cameras?
Generally, when recording, we advise you to set the volume of the receiver at 10 to 15. Also, don't forget to turn down the volume of the camera first.
Yes, because the camera has AGC, it will automatically amplify or reduce its sound to match the recording.
Yes, sometimes I found that when I'm in a quiet indoor environment with little ambient sound, there will be some hum noise in the audio.
That's because when you are in a quiet indoor setting, the ambient sound is too low. If the volume is low too, the signal-to-noise ratio, which is output to the camera, will be too low and thus causing the hum noise.
Wow! Practical advice! Alright, so I guess that's all for today's Virso FAQ, and thank you again for Grace and Serene for answering the question, and I hope that their answer may help you figure out your problem when using the Virso.
It's wonderful we can come here and help you guys.
Yes, and hope it works for you.
If you guys have more questions about Virso, don't hesitate to comment down below and we will answer it right away. Bye!
Bye!